We are specialists in production of wood stove and pellet stove, kitchen as well. Our specialization is the customer satisfaction. We want to manufacture very high quality product because we believe that the long life of our product is of course a plus respect to the competitors.
Nice. Can you tell us more about your history?
Yes. Our history started since 1972, thanks to the activity of Lino Motta, the founder of the company. He started by some simple appliance to evolve until the production of today. The philosophy of the company was to stay in a niche of the market located in medium high quality step. The goal of the company is to be present in international market because we believe that our production is suitable for many international markets.
How about the steel?
Yes, in Europe the production linker is highly appreciated because the product is quite different than the competitors, both for design, both for components, because linker has absolutely 100% internal production. I mean about the metal sheet, I mean the design, the construction of combustion chamber, and we have as only external activity the painting, but in the future we will have internal too. So thanks to this, European market appreciated a lot the feature of linker, both for design, both for the quality. Yes, to Sanjin Korea we are selling practically the core business of linker because Sanjin chosen the top quality product produced from linker. In fact, for Korean market we studied and developed some wood stove, and the main feature are high quality cast iron component. We believe that cast iron is much better than the simple metal sheet for duration, so product has to have long life respect steel metal sheet, and the release of the worm by cast iron is much better than the metal sheet. In fact, when the stove is stopped, the worm is continuous, released longer respect the metal sheet. Also, concerning the Korean production, we take care about the components just to face the moisture problem. Our stoves have more thickness respect to the competition because when there is some condensation problem, is water mixed to acid, the stoves of competitors can destroy the base. At contrary, linker product don't destroy because the thickness and the quality of cast iron don't allow this destruction, so it's much more reliable.
Customers in Korea, they are very surprised that you are not joining them.
Yes. Yes. The stoves with the oven is, I think, a special feature, special business for linker because we take care about. In fact, the oven is studied to get the worm regularly in all its part, just to allow a nice cooking. We tried several times in our laboratory just to get the best result and allow the cooking of any aliment. already strong